Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. First property is sine inverse 1 upon x. Sine inverse 1 upon x is equal to cosec inverse x. So this is the inverse relation. Already we know sine and cosec are reciprocals. Similarly, cos inverse 1 upon x equal to sec inverse x, or tan inverse 1 upon x equal to cot inverse x. We know tan and cot are reciprocals to each other, and this is vice versa also. If we have cot inverse 1 upon x, then we will write tan x. If we have sec inverse 1 upon x, we will write cos x. Cosec inverse 1 upon x, we will write sin x. Now second property, in case of sin inverse minus x, minus come out. In case of tan inverse minus x, minus come out. In case of cosec inverse minus x, minus come out. Only in these three inverse trigonometric ratio, minus come out, and remaining three trigonometric ratio, minus come out with pi. Cos inverse minus x equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Sec inverse minus x equal to pi minus sec inverse x. Cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. So if in first three minus come out, in second three minus also come out with pi. Now third property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. For any value, if we take according to the sine or according to the cos, always we have some of these angles will be pi by 2. Suppose we take 1 upon 2, sine 1 upon 2 for 30 degree, cos 1 upon 2 for 60, 30 plus 60, 90, pi by 2. Similarly, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Cosec inverse x plus sec inverse x is also pi by 2. So in this way we have some of these trigonometric ratio is equal to pi by 2. Now fourth property, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this is very important, and this is applicable only in the condition if product of xy is less than 1. So before applying this property, we always check product of xy is less than 1 or not. So this is applicable only in the condition if xy is less than 1. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. And again there is condition, it is applicable only in the condition if xy is greater than minus 1. In maximum question this property we are using. Now fifth property, 2 tan inverse x. If we want to change the trigonometric ratio in terms of sine, then we use sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. If 2 tan inverse x you want to convert in cos inverse, then it is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x equal to, if you want to convert only in terms of tan, then tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So these property we can derive with the help of the formula, double angle formulas. With the help of this double angle formula, sine 2 theta formula in terms of tan we can derive, and this fourth property we can derive by using the tan a plus b formula. So easily we can derive these properties.